My name is John. I live in the United States in a town originally settled by German immigrants. There's still some German influence in town, but no one speaks the language any longer. When I was in college, I had a year of German, and although we had a good instructor, I think for most people, just 1 year of instruction in a foreign language isn't enough to learn the language very well. A while back, I was on a business trip in Germany, and I had some time to visit a friend in Nuremberg. And we were walking down the street, and I saw in a shop window a gold necklace with an aquamarine, and I really wanted to buy that for my wife. So I mentioned that to my friend, and he went in and negotiated with the shop owner in German a better price for me. And while the sales lady was ringing up the sale, she turned to me and said, with a name like yours, you should speak German. And I thought, she's right. I really should. I have a German background, and German friends, I think, would be a lot of fun to learn to speak German. And so when I got back to the States, I did some searching on the web and came across Listen and Learn. What I like about Listen and Learn is that they provide individualized custom training for people who want to learn a foreign language. In my case, I can learn vocabulary and grammar pretty easily, but I have a lot of trouble understanding German when it's spoken to me or speaking it. So they put me in touch with Bernhard, a German instructor from Austria. I spend 2 hours a week with him. We've been meeting for several months now, and it's a lot of fun. I have a lot of questions for him always. He tries to speak entirely in German to me, and I feel like I'm making good progress because when I first started, I couldn't understand German at all, but now I can speak and understand it at level A2. I took the Goethe Institute test online and passed that, so I feel that I'm making good progress. My goal is to reach level C1, and I feel with Bernhard's help, I will be able to achieve my goal.